On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame for a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Crepes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on? Otter gang. Let's go. Bitcoin's pumping. And everyone's calling the bottom. You know, if you call the bottom 5 times, does that make you right? I don't know. I think I called like a bottom on ETH like 2 months ago. And I was wrong. Very wrong. But it didn't keep saying the bottom is in. The bottom is in. The bottom is in. Oh. The bottom is in. But is the bottom in? You know what? Up or down, side to side. Who cares if the bottom's in? Let's make some money today, baby. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Thank you guys for being here. Let's jump into the charts. Is anyone short? Jeez. All right, we got 3 drives up here. And a nice sweep of the highs looking to break down. Break it down now. I'm not in a short yet. I did take a short scalp earlier. But I got out. I actually got in right up here. And I got out. But you know what? You start the show. You make some dough. Okay, that's always how it is. A little nice SFP up top here. Just made a quick old scalp this morning. I can share it with you. I would love to share it with you. You can see 733 up in here, 733 to 736 down to here. Took my money and ran. Then got ready for my show. So I figured, you know what? I saw it. I should have still been in it. However, money is money, baby. Money is still on the table. There's always money on the table. And is the bottom in? Let me know in the chat. Is the bottom in? Put a 1 in the chat if the bottom is in. Put a 2 in the chat if we're going much lower. What's going on, Jesse? Good to see a quick smoker from Australia. They sprung forward. Ooh-wee. Oh, they sprung backwards. I guess you go the opposite direction in Australia. I should know that. I lived in Australia for a year. Good morning. Beautiful Tuesday. Chantel, good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. We got Bridget Uyes. Good morning. Al Jr. Crypto Billy in the chat. What's going on, my brother? Good to see you, man. Alexandra G. Good morning, Alex. And I hope you have a wonderful good morning. Otter gang. Infinite Team TA. Good morning to you. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. My man. Good to see that comment every day. Every day. Always here dropping the bombs. Good to see you, Lorelei. Good morning. Hopefully you're doing well. Jesse, good luck. Dusty Hunt. I swing. I need to see 82 as soon as possible. Okay. Roaming Brave. Good morning to you. Zena with the pink hand. What's going on? Good morning. Ooh, I haven't even looked where VWAP is. Or obviously overextended here. Yeah, okay. Okay, setting up for some possible shorts this morning. Eee. Nasty dump yesterday. Stopped out on the live stream. Hindsight is always going to be, it's weird because you go, oh, if only I did that, if only I did this, right? That's the dilemma as a trader, right? It's like you're never, ever, ever, ever going to be perfect. That is facts. There's always something like you could do, even if you got, I got long down here yesterday. I seen a bunch of people in the Discord get long here. You can't take profits and hold this 1, 2. You know what I mean? You can follow rules. That's why we have rules. But you're never going to be perfect because you can't see into the future. We don't have a crystal ball. All we have is the tools to kind of help us make better decisions, okay? That's the hard part. You got a higher low in here. Trigger wave. Trying to continue up. It is the hard part. You're never going to be perfect, but we can use tools and we can use rules. Tools and rules, baby. To help us mitigate risk, take profits properly. All those good things. Darshan, good morning to you. Anto, good morning. Thank you for joining the Discord. VW, John, buenos dias, my man. Paul, Polot Senning. Good morning. Thank you for being here. Dusty Hunt, Paul Caruso, Antone, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Look at all these absolutely legendary, utterly fantastic people. Good morning to you guys. VW John, the Dusty Hunt in here. Let's go. Crypto Billy, top of the morning to you. Papa like it is. Good to see all of you people in here. Thank you so much for being here. Joey Reese, Sniper's Nightmare, my man. Tempo, what's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Storm, what a life. What's up, man? Otter gang. Let's go. Blair Stevenson. Dean, Nelly Dean, good morning to you. Welsh Jesse, the French toaster, the bravest toaster of all the toasters. Quazim, good morning to you. Wise Sensei, oh, man. I don't know about that, Quazim. I just try to press buy and sell successfully. That's all we're here to do. Needs to be in soon, running out of money. Yeah, that bottom needs to be in soon. No one's telling me when the bottom's in. Did we get ones in the chats? 2, the bottom is not in. Ooh, I see a lot of 2s in there. Maybe I should buy. One Harmony, Arya, good morning to you. Infinite Team, good morning to you. Okay, a little retrace down here. Continuation down. Lots of liquidity to come and get. Let's be real. This is a bit, I would expect something along these lines. If we're going to bounce or wee. It seems to like to do this one a lot more. Then we are still in a downtrend. So patience will prevail. Okay. Nasty. Poor Bitcoin. We'll see how it goes, man. Miles Trump Power. Good morning, Germo. Good morning to you, man. Thank you for being here. Mighty Moto Adventure. I'm so new, I don't even know what those terms mean. Well, that's why you're here then, man. Thank you for being here. Frenchie, the best toaster. Trump Power. Basic Crypto Chick. Good morning, gang. Good morning to you. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. So we got ones. Some people believe the bottom's in. Okay. That's cool. 2s. Billy says the bottom's not in. Uh-oh. guys. Guys, we better brace ourselves. We better brace ourselves. Oh, and if you're not following Billy Goat Tales, get over there and follow Billy Goat Tales. Love you, Billy. Tony Soprano, my man. Good morning. How's it going, man? Good to see you. One of our amazing mods, always protecting the Discord. Thank you for being here, Tony. Stephen K, good morning to you. I'm trying to hold this low here, really. That's what it's trying to do. Not a fan. Hello, man. How are you? Catrix. Good morning, man. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. It's a beautiful Tuesday. The sun is shining. It's warm in Canada, meaning it's above -5. So my igloo is starting to melt a little bit, which is fine. It just hardens it. Oh, man. Gotta have good banter, right? We gotta have good banter here. Otherwise, it'd be a boring day. Orlando, good morning. Kicking Wig, Nazil. Steve Hickey, good morning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Shepherd, what's going on? 1 hour showing your balloon dog. Yeah, we have the balloon dog. It is printing. For the 1 hour to print the balloon dog, we need something like this. Okay. But yes, the balloon dog is starting to print. We will show the people the balloon dog, which is a double bottom followed by a bull pennant or flag. Depends if you want a Doberman or a Schnauzer, whatever dog that is. Zigrar Dimitri. Good morning. Good to see you, man. The night is hardcore, but I call the bottom. Oh, let's go. Farside Moon, good morning to you. We got a moon coming up. There's a moon coming up at the end of the week, man. It's going to be a interesting howling event. Howling event. Congrats on 10K subs, Alex. Thanks, man. What's up, lads? Thank you very much. Yeah, we just hit 10K. We're going to do the giveaway at the end of the week, okay? We're going to do Friday giveaway, okay? I've messaged Nick from Market Cypher. Maybe we get a Market Cypher giveaway. Maybe we get some memberships. Okay, so we're going to do the 10K giveaway on Friday. We might as well do it on Friday. It doesn't make sense to do it in the middle of the week. We'll leave with a bang. So that'll be fun. That'll be fun. Celebrate the 10K. Do some giveaways. Yeah, really cool. Airdropper, good morning. Buck, good morning to you, man. Good morning to you. Shaitrowski, good morning, Alex. IKO. Little rollover here. Now that we've mitigated this low, we can look for a higher low now and continuation back down into this area here. Looking for a short. We'll see how low we go here. We'll see how low can we go. John Foster Crypto, good morning to you. Boa, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Jesse, my man Jesse, good to see you. Army Piper in the chat. You guys better behave yourself. Army Piper is here. Army Piper is the bottom in. Asking for a friend. Shaq, good morning to you. Geometrics, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Jay Violet's in the chat. Isn't it past your bedtime? Good to see you, Jay Violet. Thank you for being here. Lunchable Connoisseur, my man. My man, good to see you. Bunch of people in the Discord caught that bottom yesterday. I mean, we were all looking for it. We were all looking for this bottom. I was looking for it. I was looking for it down in here. We were looking for the bounce. It came obviously lower. Okay. But we were all looking for that bounce. And a lot of people waited and they were able to get in on that little wee double bottom. The wee double bottom. I see all y'all. All y'all in here. Look at these people crushing it. Crushing it. Catching that bottom. Thanking CVO. CVO giving the setup. Ooh-wee. Great work, guys. Great work. I love seeing you guys win. Drop incoming for sure. Let's see. Do you have a little momentum wave pushing back up in here? Crypto Billy, I love you too, man. I'm still schlonging AF. I don't care, but today is a long day. Woo! DDT saying, pull out the longs. He called the short yesterday. DDT called the short yesterday. Guys, make sure you pay attention. DDT knows his stuff, man. God bless you, DDT. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Miles Trump Power making the money yesterday with a quick scalp. Good job, bro. Good job. Like seeing you win. Like seeing you win. Part of the gang. Part of the gang. Randy, good morning to you. Stephen K, good morning. Good to see you. CVO Trading. Gang, gang, gang. My man. We got the blood moon coming. It's a bloody moon. 10K giveaway for 10K subs. Yeah, right. You're funny. New TA needed, boys. Just trade the moons. That's the one, man. That's the one. We just press buy and sell. Tempo wants to know if we're giving away USDT too. To very, very, we may do that. We may not do that. Just show up on Friday. We'll see. 10K Otter Day, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Good to see you, CVO. Thanks for dropping in, my man. Guys, CVO Trading. One of our traders in the Discord. This guy. Absolutely crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. This guy's got like Batman patterns and stuff, man. I can't keep
Bitcoin's
up
getting
with that.
a sizable bounce from that 9
I
to the
can't keep
upside.
up
If
with
we were to
that.
get the
Look at
bounce
this
from there,
thing.
this turns this
Batwing,
pattern into a potential
Batwing
5-0, which is a
superstar.
reversal now to the up.
Absolute crushing it. Go follow CVO. Incredible trader. It's my man. My man. Dump until Wednesday, FOMC. Probably. We do have news coming out today. We have is it the PP data today? We're talking about PPs. Whatever. Army Piper knows this stuff. No, PP's on Thursday. Today's Jolts. So today's Jolts jobs at 9 a.m. So we got to wait an hour. Well, we got 43 minutes, but we got Jolts today, guys. Getting a jolt of energy coming our way. Hopefully they're positive. But if you do want to learn about Jolts, Army Piper would, I'm sure, love to educate you on the Jolts. For me, I know a Jolteon. That is my knowledge of the Jolts. Jolteon is a lightning Pokemon. It's used a Thunderstone on Eevee, and it becomes a Jolteon. That's what I got about Jolts. Yeah, I went there. I went there, okay? I did. Crypto CD, good morning. John Foster, Crypto, good morning to you. Tony Soprano. Is someone asking to be a mods? We have plenty of mods. We have plenty of mods. I don't think we could have any more. I don't want to split up the pie too much when we do the mod giveaway. You know, we want to give the mods at least some money. If we had more mods, they would all get like 20 USDT from our mod giveaway at the end of the month. So we want to keep the pie. We talked about pie yesterday. We don't want to give them like a really like outdated pie. We want to give them a good slice of that apple pie, right? That strawberry rhubarb, whatever you're into. Bitcoin's last hope. Is that like that sounds like a Star Wars movie. Am I still a lurker or otter? Lurking otter. You are your family now, airdropper. You're always here, man. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. David Brumbelow, my man. Good to see you. John Foster, Crypto, my man. RS Miller's in the chat. Jeez, you guys always just showing up, man. It's crazy to see the same people here all the time, man. I'm going to throw some pooches in the chat for RS Miller, man. Incredible people here. Good people. Find your people. Givers gain. Bunch of superstars, man. Bunch of superstars. So Mighty Moto has been around since Bitcoin was less than $500. Wow. That's incredible, man. What convinced you not to buy it? See, like I came into crypto. You guys are going to think, man, this guy's nuts. I came into crypto right here. And I bought right here and right here. I traded and learned how to trade all bear market. Then I came in, I bought everything right here and all the rest right here. That's me. That's where I started. So you can turn profitable. Took me what? 7 plus 9. So profitable full time right here. There you go. There's hope for you yet. There's hope for you yet. If I can do it, you can do it. You got to be a little bit obsessed. You got to want to be good. You got to... Anyways, we're not here to give you like, oh man, you got to just put your nose down and try hard and you'll be better. All right, coming up here. Just try. You got to try. Effort. Look for a half a position size here, trying to take this thing down. We'll see if we get it here on a little bounce back. Got to give it a little bit more wiggle room. We got a bigger stop loss this morning, so see if we do get that retest back in here. Darren says up today, friends. What do you guys think? Up or down? You got to put a 1 for up and a 2 for down, down, down. 1 for up and a 2 for down, down, down. AlexOCrypto, good to see you. Martis says I deserve more subscribers. I took a loss yesterday on the live, so I mean, last week we absolutely destroyed the kicked ass, took names, okay? It was awesome. Up is greater than down. Up is greater than down. I agree. Giveaway CVO Civic. CVO Civic. Let's go. He's got a 1988 DX Civic. If you know, you know, man. That was like it looks like a mouse pad on wheel or a mouse on wheels. 1988 DX Civic. This thing was like, this was the prime time tuner car, man. Like if you were broke, you get that DX, the DX hatchback, man. Get the DX hatchback. You'd be doing like, you put that muffler on that thing, you drive around. It looks like a mouse pad, right? Or a mouse. You put a little turbo in that. You got that VTEC power. My God. So light. Okay, pushing into here. It's a pretty aggressive V-shaped recovery. Not something I would have liked to see this morning. I would have liked to see a little bit more of a... And then go. See how it reacts up in here. No trade yet. Okay, just being patient. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 283 people in here. God bless you guys. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Our Discord is incredible. If you do want to join our Discord, the prices do go up on Friday. The last chance to lock in $30 a month, $1 a day. This will be quite a big increase because we offer a lot of value, I think. You look around. Let me know in the chat who's got the greatest Discord of them all. And if you don't say mine, I'll be upset. No, I'm kidding. My vote would go to Jason Casper, and I've never even been in his Discord, but I've heard about Jason Casper's Discord. Okay. I've heard good things about Jason Casper's Discord. So I always suggest Jason Casper's Discord because I know he's a great trader. I know Gio's a great trader as well. And I'm very big on traders helping traders. People who do this all the time. Okay, there's our tap into the golden pocket here. I'm going to take a crack here. I'm going to take a little crack at this. I'm going to be taking profits pretty early here. If it gives me a chance to take profits here, I'm in. Stop loss above the high here. Like I said, I don't really like the push up too aggressive here, but we'll see how it goes. We could get one more drive up. Maybe a little bit rushed this morning. This is a V-shaped recovery. Let's go in the 3-minute here. I just feel like it makes sense to me. Going into market open, though, this could be a little bit risky here. We'll see how it reacts. 786 now, I think. Maybe a little bit rushed. Were we rushed yesterday? No, it wasn't yesterday. We rushed on, I think, on Friday here. Good morning, R.S. Miller, Matthew Sheldon. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. That's persistence. Always persistent, man. I mean, I've been showing up every week for 3 years. Ask Billy. Ask Tony. Tony's had to listen to me for 3 years, man. I'm sorry, Tony. Okay, we're pushing here. We're pushing here. This is not what I planned. 3 drives. Mitigation of the low, retest continuation at a resistance level. What can I say? What can I say? We'll see. We'll see. Mama Bull. I feel like maybe I've earned a bull emoji. Ooh. We do have quite a bit of emojis here. I don't know if I can add any more. What do an otter and crypto have in common? They both love to make a splash, but one floats on water while the other sinks in the markets. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's go. The basic crypto basic crypto chick. It's hard to say really fast. Dropping the alpha. Dropping the alpha. Dedication. Morning, Otters. R.S. Miller, good to see you. Huddle Crypto. Lunchable. I bought a few at 360. I don't know if I like this, friends. I don't know if I like this. I'm still in it, but I don't know if I like this. 786 rejection here. I mean, the shorts are overextended. Trigger wave on the 2 hour. 1 hour pointing down. View up crossover. Money's coming up on the 1 hour though. 15-minute rolling over. View up's coming up as well. $15-minute engulf. Almost an engulf here. 12. Not searching for a bias. The key is when you're flipping through time frames, you're not looking for a bias. You want to be as objective as possible. Green dot printing here. Overextended to the downside. You know why we took the trade. Look at all the liquidity in here, right? Very obvious, but view up down below here. Easy target. Downtrend. Is this the relief though? Are we done here? Are we gonna get another spoof to the upside before we go down, right? It's always on the table. It's always on the table. That's why we use risk management, right? Dump it, Bitcoin. Use Nambe Pambe. Let's go. I'm going to take half off here. I know, I'm being a chicken. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I took half off here. $50 so far. I don't know if I like this. I don't think I like it. Stop loss to entry, maybe. Stop loss, bringing stop loss down here, mitigating my risk. Always sharing what I'm doing, at least. It's early for this trade. That's how I feel, but it's there, right? Stop loss above the high. $50 realized. Half taken out, so I put 50 grand. Half a position size, like I said. Okay? Maybe I'm being a namby-pamby. You guys let me know. Put a 1 in the chat. Hold the trade. Put a 2 in the chat. Close the trade. Let me know. Let me know. Wix wife, fine 89. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Wifey, wifey, wifey. Uptrending momentum still holding, says Tony. AlexOCrypto. JD, good morning. Anto says, I'm still waiting. I see the picture. Army Piper with the $2. Bitcoin's last hope. You look like I don't know what to say. Are you Star Warsing it, bro? I'm just happy you're not. Did everybody give Piper trouble about the open mouth thumbnails? Oh, look at him. He looks holy. He looks holier than thou. I'm going stop loss to entry here. Free trade now. I'm stop loss at entry, guys. Stop loss at entry. GG's. At least we took the trade at least. I think it's going. It's got a good possibility of dumping. That's how I feel, but we got news at 9, which we know is just, it's going to jolt the market. Chart champions. Crypto lifer. That's $100. Come on, who else has the best Discord? Green Dot. I'm in Billy Goat Tails Discord and Piper's Discord. I have so much beautiful people everywhere. Jesse's in our Discord too. Still waiting. Still waiting. I don't know how long I've been here, but it's been a while. Billy invited me. David Brumbelow has an emoji. Got the bumblebee in here. Brumbelow's been here forever. Albino Rhino, good morning to you. Wifey in the chat, good to see you. Wifey's got an emoji too. The wicks have shown up for me for a very long time as well. They're almost as my gray feathers. My gray hairs, you know? Been here for quite a long time. Absolutely a Star Wars reference. Dumper, hold it. Everybody's saying hold it. Not chicken, pay yourself. Ah, that's it, right? I mean, I took a scalp this morning for $70. I've guaranteed another 50. Easy. Easy. You know how much 100 USDT is worth in Canada? It's crazy. Hello from Malaysia. Longing soul here. Okay, cool, man. Cool. Giga Chad went from 10 cents to under a penny. Sorry, Giga Chad. Stop loss to break even. That's the one, man. That's the one. Frankie's Discord. CryptoFace. CryptoFace is an incredible... The Crown Crypto Cave. Yeah? Eric Crown, man. Eric Crown's the legend. Got the hairiest muscles I've ever seen. I love it. Everybody's still having nightmares from your 100K thumbnail, Piper. Chart Champions is $250 a month. Holy. What did they do? JC Discord was great. I think ours is better though. So much value in both are miles above any other one. Thank you, Father Time. God bless you, bro. No Piper emoji. Send me the emoji, bro. Send me the emoji. I sent you the otter one. You send me the emoji, I'll add you. You know that. Piper is family. Dump Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Dump it. Let me know if anybody else is in the short with me here. How short are you? I am 5'4" and 3/4. The 3/4 is the Air Forces I wear to be a short king, okay? Joff and Nerva, the great AlexOCrypto. I can't take your praise, man. I'm just here trying to help people. Wish we could pick traders from all Discords a la carte. Dave Digital in the chat. My man, he's got the double D's in the chat for Dave Digital. A couple of people are in with me. Wayne C., when are you making J Violet a mod? J Violet's asleep. Ain't nobody getting into the modular here, okay? There's no room for the mods. All great people there. JR, good to see you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Kurosama, what's going on? Jake Pearson, I'm in the short 120x. Let's go. Absolutely sexy degenning. I love it. I love it. I love it. we actually have like a we have a trader in our Discord who 400x leverages things. I don't know about the risk management. I would never suggest this, but we got our friend Peter here. Thank you, Peter, for being in the Discord and being part of the family, bro. He'd be doing 400x leverages, friends. He probably, like, my understanding with this is you probably have calculated your risk to your liquidity, to your liquidation level. That would be my only guess with trades like this. That's the only way I could think it's doable, is that your liquidation level is your stop loss. But what about slippage, man? I don't know. Got a couple of you in here, 400x leverages. You guys must, yeah, Waters in here. He's doing it too. I mean, I don't know. Even 100x leverage. Rashad, you don't need to be using 100x leverage, Rashad. We're going to have some words with you, buddy. We want you to be good. Rashad's one of our awesome new traders. We love Rashad. He's always asking good questions. So the question today in the poll, dump it, Bitcoin. I'm in, but scalp higher for a bit earlier. Yeah, nice. Good job, Darren. I'm going to use the, oh my God, we're going to use that picture for Piper's emoji, the big open mouth thumbnail. What is your live timing? Yeah, so we're live 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., man. So thank you for being here. We're always here 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. $6'3", Peter, you're a giant. How's the air up there? How many people ask you that? I'm that guy who asks you how the air is up there, wherever up there is. Who's the tallest in the chat? That's a good question. Morning, John Foster. Good morning to you. Jay Violet. Good morning to you. Peter, good morning. Good to see you. French Toaster. Alexandra G. Wick's wife. God bless all of you. Thank you for being here. Wave Cypher, what's going on, man? They just up it later to make the screenshot better. Yeah, I know those people. They'll go in with 2x leverage. They'll let it go up, and then they'll slide the thing up to 400x leverage and be like, "Look at me, look at me." Cross margin 1% of portfolio. See, he's got a plan. As long as you're managing your risk, I don't care what leverage you use. Leverage is a tool to not hold as much money on an exchange. Okay? Giving away CPO's 1988 DX on Friday. Let's go. Big giveaway. We're up another $90. We could take off $90 here if we wanted to close the trade. 6'1", 6'3", RS Miller. Your collie must be like it might feel like a miniature collie. Calling the bottom 5 times doesn't make you right. Yeah, that was my tweet this morning. I'm not really trying to grow my X. That kind of sounds weird, doesn't it? But I do. This is me waking up when you bought Bitcoin under, 25K. But you do get updates here. I do complain about Justin Trudeau a lot. Ooh, that was a good trade we took on the live, wasn't it? That was a great trade. Wasn't that a great trade on the live? My God, perfect retest continuation trade up into VWAP. What a sexy trade that was. Everybody on the live taking that. That was last week, baby. Everybody making lots of money on that trade. Love it. Love seeing you guys win. It's a thing, man. It's a thing. It's the gang. I think RS Miller's the tallest here. Oh, Joyful Journey, 6'6". My God. How many times, months do you get asked if you play basketball? Shematrice, you got to tell me how to say your name. 5'10", man. 5'10". You tower over me. I'm new here. Just subscribe. Can you please explain to me the trade logic? Yeah, of course. So we are pushing up here. So obviously, scalp trader here. So we're pushing up here. We're very overextended. We have liquidity below us. We are in a downtrend, okay? If we zoom out. We can see that we're in clearly a downtrend, okay? We go over to what's going on today. Well, we are a little bit overextended. Everybody's calling the bottom to be in. Bullish divergence pushing us up. Coming back, grabbing some fair value gaps and liquidity above us right here, right? So now we're at a level of decision. Are we going to push or are we going to retrace? For me, the probabilities of us coming back in the year are more likely for a continuation out. So I'm trying to take this little trade, and we could possibly look for this later on today. As you can see, we came up, we got wrecked yesterday, we got stopped out of our trade, and rolled over here quite aggressively. So naturally, you're going to come back to this area in here where you've rolled over. We've done so, right? So now it's a matter of, are we going to continue to push? 786 rejection level rolling over here, trying to go down. We'll see if that does materialize. However, coming up this euphoric in the morning into news, which we have in 13 minutes, we should be looking for at least this, possibly this, to be taken, okay? We'd be looking for a golden pocket retracement level. Now that we have a new high, this has to come up a little bit, okay? But just the thinking here is that we're looking in generally, this is not easy to draw. We're looking generally for this move today, okay? Not necessarily, we can't predict how low this is going to go. All we know is that at least to here, that would be retesting previous highs. So that would be, first target, second targets, and all that. So that's the idea here. We got 3 drives up at the top, bearish divergence, up at a trend line. Okay, value area low for the larger range, and looking for this, break it down now for a possible continuation out. And then, if we get the right criteria in here, we can possibly look to continue it up. If this, then that. But I ain't going to get tricked like we did yesterday with this crap. So just trying to be prepared, and that's kind of the thought behind this trade. Also, the reason why we took this trade. So we got 3 drives up in here. We got a mitigation of the low. Okay, so a lower low break of structure. A retest back into our 786. Easy stop loss above the high, and looking for this to continue back down into here. Okay, so that should explain why we took the trade, how we managed our risk, and what we're looking to take in the smaller term time frames. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If not, stay around. We always share what we do and how we do it. Every day is a good day. Look at this thing. Dump it, Bitcoin. Dump it, baby. Dump it, dump it, dump it. Love it. I love it. Coming into news, I'm going to slide. I think I'll slide my profit into, let's go just above this high here. So sliding it into the DMs here. 81.5. Let's go 81.500. 81.500. Look at the dump, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Dump it, Bitcoin. I'm going to hit a TP down here if we come here. 80,950. Dumping it. You okay? Okay. You okay? Drive safe. Okay. Bye. I love you. My wife's going to a baby thing. I missed my TP, guys. I missed my TP, but I got to say goodbye to my son and my wife, so who cares, right? Who cares? I'm going to take another half off there, okay? I would have preferred to take half off here, but, you know, I got to say goodbye to my son and my wife, okay? We got news coming here. News coming here. Would have liked to take a little bit. I would have taken a little bit more off down here, but you know it came back on me and then adjusted it. We got 136 realized this morning. Okay, 136 realized. Still in the trade. Stop loss above the high there. Okay. Great trade, everybody. And I got to say goodbye to my wife and my son. And while getting paid, who would have thought? Not only do we get to hang out here with the wife and son coming through the house. We get to hang out with you guys. We get to make money. We're getting paid while hanging out, man. You guys are incredible. Look at that. F-Bomb says, good trade. That always works. $5'9", 175. We have a rule. Wick's wife says, imagine if Alex didn't say bye to his family because he was too focused on the charts. That isn't balanced. Got to admire that. We have a rule in our household is that you have to say I love you and goodbye before anybody leaves. It's just a rule. You never know what's going to happen, right? You never know what's going to happen. So it's always, even if you're grumpy or moody or whatever it is, always say goodbye and always say I love you. That is just it. That's it. Bitcoin rolling over here. Not looking to add. We're going into news here, so there would have been my TP. That would have been great, but that's fine. That's fine. No complaints. Creeping this stop loss down as we go here. I don't mind if we do get stopped out. In profits, baby. In profits. We got 395 people in here. 135 likes. I haven't asked you guys for a like all stream. So wouldn't you mind just tickling that little like button? We got short right here, guys. Come on. Like this is... We on the gravy train right now. We on the gravy train all the way to the bank. The easiest short known to man. That's what happens when people are too bullish. Saying the bottom's in. News is at 10, I think. The news is at 9. We got jolts here. We got jolts job openings here. Jolts here. Jolts openings. And then we got the API crude oil. But jolts is the important one. Not that I know what jolts is. We talked about this earlier. It's just when you scalp, you need to always be aware of what's coming up. Okay, news can scam wickedy you out of your position if you're scalping. So you always just got to be aware of it. You don't need to necessarily understand it. You can if you're trying to trade the fundamentals of the market, which is not something I do. I just look at the charts, and I'll tell you the damn news, all right? The news says that we are coming up here. We are overextended, and we're going to push back and retest these highs. That's what the news tells me, okay? This could turn into like 72,000. Not this, but there's opportunities to add if we do come back, you know, there's opportunities to add into something like this, but half a position size this morning. Just wanted to be a little bit more safe-oo. Okay. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, those lurkers in the background there hanging out. I appreciate you guys. Looking top-down analysis here as we wait for the news to come in. What we can see is there's a little bit of daily bull divs here that are forming. Okay, we got that sweep of the low. We got the daily bull divs in here, which is good. Okay. Everybody's going to be like daily bullish divergence on Twitter. That's okay. I mean, it's pretty obvious. We got bull divs. Whee! Okay. Is this the bottom? 3 drives, maybe. A lot of liquidity up here to come and take, right? So, like, even though if we push a little bit down, we could come back up into this 85, 86 region very easily, okay? But the hopium's here. But don't smoke the hopium. It's not always good to smoke hopium. It's always good to try to be level-headed in this crazy industry if we can. Downtrend here, trying to be broken, continuing out. Okay, 12-hour green dot printing, looking for continuation. We got the 4-hour, the 3-hour, the 2-hour. The 4 or the 3 look as if they want to push up. Okay, so you can see here, they look like they want to relieve us here. We got 3 white soldiers on the way up here. Okay, so typically after 3 white soldiers, you get some sort of consolidation, then you get a pop. Okay, you get some sort of 3 white soldiers, consolidation, then a pop. We'll see if it does happen. Okay, nice rolling here. You typically want to wait for that trigger wave. That would be that higher low continuation out. Okay, not saying that's going to happen, but these are the things you got to prepare for, right? 3-hour rolling up, nice money flow. 2-hour, this is the warning sign here, trigger wave, okay? 2-hour trigger wave and a downtrend is dangerous, okay? 1 hour. Momentum wave to the downside, VWAP crossover, money's still red. Okay, so we are still in a downtrend. Don't get it twisted. Short term, we're looking for something like this. Is this sufficient? Possibly, okay? Possibly if we get bullish news, we could go up. Very possible. But typically looking for that, okay? A little overextended here. 24. Rolling over, resetting of VWAP here. So this could be the bounce that everybody wants. We got a beautiful balloon dog pattern. We got the tail. We got the leg. We got the body. We got the other leg. We got a really extended leg. This is more like a poodle. You got the head here and his little ears. Okay. All it is a double bottom followed by a bull flag, typically breaking out to the upside. We'll see what we get. I would at least look for a revisit in here, but who knows? Optimistic, baby. That's it. Hopefully we can continue to push. I would love to see a push, but I'm not gonna, bet the farm on the push from here after going straight up. A nice trigger wave forming here on the 12. Money flow coming up, so this can be nice and bullish going into our news right now. So if we get this, right, next couple candles, we push up, crossover. That could be nice. Money flow in, right? Uptrend, money flow in. Oscillating above the 0 line, cracks the 0 line, flips, pops, locks, and drops, okay? Bob's your uncle or whatever you want to call Bob. We are still short here. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. We are in the short. We are looking for this thing to go to 0. Might just go down to 80,000. We'll see. We'll see. Holy smokes. What did I just walk into, man? I got to go get my plunger. Jason Casper, I was just shouting out your Discord. It's the best Discord in all of crypto, man. I've never been in it. I've never been in Jason Casper's Discord, but I know it's the best, just from what people say. I know that you have Boyin, who's a great trader. I see some of his Twitter posts. I know you have White Phoenix, who's a great trader. And I know there's you. I don't know who else you got. I'm sure there's a lot of people. Why did I take a screenshot instead of profits 2 months ago? God bless you, bro. I mean, I tweeted this morning. If you call the bottoms in 5 times, it's not the bottom. Jason Casper, God bless you, man. Always sending the love, man. God bless you, bro. I can't handle your kindness, man. Jason Casper coming through, the Casper crew. If you're not following Jason, even as a busy trader, there's people I will go in and still like their video, comment on their video, and try to support. Jason's one of them, man. He's an amazing trader. I caught the long with Jason yesterday. Jason and I were long from down here. Everybody was puckered. They had their little puckering going on. And Jason, you probably closed this out up here somewhere before we got the real Dumperelli with the camel toe pattern down here at the bottom. But I got long here with Jason as well yesterday. Jason shares his trades. He's got an amazing treadmill. I only got a pedal bike. I'm not on his level yet. Maybe we get the treadmill when we get to 50. Maybe we'll get a pedal. I don't know. I might be moving, so maybe I'll get a treadmill in my new place. We'll see. But thank you so much, JC, man. Coming through, blessing the channel. Your presence is a present. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much. I'm going to take some more screenshots of my P&L card from last year and just erase the dates. Can you explain what a trigger wave is and its significance? So you get anchor and trigger waves. It's just momentum. But a trigger wave is going to give you a nice uneven butt cheeks, as my hero Jason Casper always says. I think everybody here follows JC, right? If you don't follow Jason, you guys got to look at this guy, man. This guy has been leading the path with his chickens, okay? He's been leading the chicken path for how long? 7 years ago. 4 years ago.
All right,
do you get
y'all.
an OG
I want to talk about something.
Picture of Jason Casper? Let's go, baby.
This is an emergency Bitcoin video. This
guy,
is
man.
probably the most
He's
important
still-
video
look how
I've ever
handsome
made,
he is,
as
man.
Bitcoin is literally in free fall mode right
He's
now.
probably
We're
trading
coming
on
down to the last
what
hope
was that
for the Bitcoin
exchange that
bulls.
went
A
down?
very, very
I
important area of
started
support. And I'm going to be
trading
talking
on
about
FTX,
the trades I'm
JC.
currently taking
I
and how I'm
started trading
dealing
on
with this price
FTX.
action.
I'm going to like this video. 149K? How close are you, man? Everybody, get over here and sub to Jason. How close are you? He's almost at 150,000. I'm going to have to give you all your money back. I'm going to come through today. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you, man. I'm going to skip leg day and come and hang out with Jason Casper. So trigger wave is just, you put in a wave up top. So let's say you get an anchor trigger wave here. So you get a big anchor wave here, and then you get a little trigger wave. It'll typically give you bullish divergence in here, which is very lucrative. We totally missed the Jolts news. See how significant it was? Did it not? It came in, right? Tuesday, March 11th. 9 a.m. What's going on? Is it because we Is it 10 a.m. because I'm an hour? I sprung forward. Oh my God. I'm UTC -5. I'm UTC -4 now. Oh, snap. Jolts is at 10 a.m., guys. Oh, the daylight savings trying to wreck me. Daylight savings trying to wreck me. 10 a.m. What a noob. This is why you should go follow Jason. Make sure you follow. Good morning, F1. Good to see you. We got to go in 150,000. Jason, that's incredible, bro. Ironically, I'm doing legs now. Let's go. Let's go. You're doing curls in the squat rack, bro. That's awesome, man. I got my bench over there. It's getting a little bit dusty, man. I've been slacking on the lifting lately. It's been like that winter lull. Like I didn't get on vacation like you did in February. You got to like where I'm from, you got to get out in after the winter. It's been a long winter. But it's you got to get out and get out of this crazy dungeon of a tundra up here in Canada. It's nice. It's warming up a little bit right now, so hopefully we get out, get back on that gym grind, all that good stuff, man. 150,000, bro. That's incredible. Can you believe that? 150,000 people. Imagine JC just up on a stage with his chickens and 150,000 people that he's influenced and helped change their lives. Casper and AlexOCrypto mixtape. Casper used to sing in a metal band. I used to sing in a metal band in high school. Oh, wow. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe I'll beatbox and JC can rap. Boom, boom. Right? You need a hat. Pros wear hats. I got a Deadpool hat, a metal militia hat. This is printing, guys. This is printing today. Who's in the short with me? How are all the hobbits in here short? Jason's 6'2", I think. I think Jason's 6'2". His quad is as big as me. Shorts printing, baby. Stop loss moving to here now. Stop loss is here. Boop. Shorts printing this morning, baby. All right, I'll be 75% out if we come and touch these highs here at 80,500. Okay, I will be 70% out of this trade. Dump it, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Boom, boom. 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 It's dumping it. Dumping it. TP hit. We printing today, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we took the short today and made lots of money. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang, gang. Hidden profits. Hidden profits, not profits. 150,000. We're all swarming Jason Casper, trying to get him up to that 150. Incredible. What a short, everybody. Good job. Shout out to you guys, man. A quick, nice, beautiful short this morning. Couldn't be more proud of you. You're doing great. Doing great. Everybody crushing it. We got 416 people here. 195 likes. All we need is 5 more likes, guys. So take your time. It's fine. Take your time. We got lots of trading to still do. It's 911. Jody Fire. Burning on the dance floor. All right. So good, baby. So good. It's hard to be good. I love seeing you guys win. Let me know if you guys took the short. Let me know. Like we said, that buy level revisiting previous highs. Okay, coming into market open. Are you close to Guelph, Alex? I'm not going to disclose, but I'm not close to Guelph. I have family in Guelph, though. Wellington County. Just got 2 shorts over 50% out of it. Nice. Good job. Jason Casper, will you like to do a collab with Crypto Princess? He's doing legs, Jesse. He's focused right now, man. He's definitely focused on the legs. He's trying to get the ultimate pump. He's got to squeeze it every time. I'm short on Sol because I hate Sol. Let's go, Hondo Poncho. I closed. I took the short. So short today that to spit, I need to jump. That's a good one. I like that. When I was in construction, they made me go and get like a certificate for confined spaces. I was so insulted. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. More liquidity below, right? Look at this impulse move up here, V-shaped recovery. This can all be recovered. Like, it's so... Like, we get to, retest this area in here, okay, but this is all liquidity. This is liquidity. Tino from Traders Reality would tell you that this is a vector candle, all right? And can be recovered. I'm allowed to do that. My wife's British, okay? Let's see the vector candle. Oh, we don't have a vector candle here on the 12-minute. Maybe it's on the hourly. Do we have an hourly vector candle? Let's see. No. Oh, man. I might be wrong. Oh, it's a blue candle. It's almost a vector candle. It's a Smurf candle. Can be recovered. All right. We're taking the first Smurf candle over here. The vectors. They're printing. Shout out to Tino, man. Tino's always crushing it. Crypto Princess, also from the UK, yes. She'll have to rate your accent. Yes, bloody brilliant. My wife told me, Jason, my wife, she's got a... I always show her your British accent. She loves your British accent, Jay. My wife's British AF, and she was talking about going to a jewelry quarter, and she called a jewelry quarter, a jewelry. a Jowray quarter. Are you taking the piss? She says. I don't know how my wife puts up with me. Crypto Princess has a she's a Londoner. She's a Londoner. She has a very nice posh accent, okay? She's a Londoner. Oh no, Google's crashing on me. She's a Londoner. So don't she's soft spoken and she has a lovely accent, okay? The Londoners. And then you go up to like the Scousers, a Scouser or a Pudlian, a Liverpudlian accent. Oh my God. Try to understand a Scouser. They talk like this. They have like a high pitch noise. Oh, it's so good. It's the Queen's English. Yes, exactly. It is the Queen's English. I love it. Oh, so good. So good. No trade here. I'd like to see some established bullish divergence or some sort of bottoming structure in here before we get anything crack-a-lacking this morning. Trying to push back up in here. Great short this morning, everybody. So far, so good. See if we can find another trade. Little patience. I don't know. Is anybody a fan of the one and done? I don't know. If there's a A+ kind of setup, I'll take it, but it's not a good idea giving the money back, right? It's never a good idea. Never a good idea. And we do have our jolts at 10 a.m. Sorry about that. Jolts at 10 a.m. We have the Londoners in here. Tea with scones, a cup of tea. a spot of tea. Oh man. Is Jason at 150 yet? Come on, friends. I don't know how close he is. He could be at 149.0. He's going to get there, though. Because he's got chickens, man. He's got chickens. Got one of the best. He's got eggs, man. Who cares about the price of eggs if you can be on your homestead? Incredible. Got bearish momentum here, so just waiting. Still in the short. I'm 75% out of this trade. Sometimes you just want to close these things. You know what? I think I'm going to close it to incentivize me to go and look for another trade. That's what I think I'll do. And I'm out. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. GG's, everybody. Great trade this morning. Quick $340. Great job, everybody. Here's take profit 3. It hasn't printed the other one yet. Great job, everybody. $240 here on the short. Congratulations, everybody. Beautiful trade, 81. Good entry, good risk management, all that good stuff. Thank you, everybody, for being here. An amazing trade. Put those GGs in the chat for the trade, everybody. GGs. Let's go. Everybody crushing it. Good job today, everybody. A little bit different than yesterday. A win. A nice, beautiful, short trade this morning. Everybody, thank you for being here, hanging out with us. We be crushing it daily. Monday to Friday. If you are new here, subscribe to Jason Casper. And here if you want. But we'd like to see JC grow. Great job, everybody in here. Good trade this morning, crushing it. If you are interested in joining the most valuable superstar Discord, the last time the prices will be at $30 a month is now. They go up Friday. We're doing a giveaway. The 10,000 sub giveaway on Friday. However, the Discord is going up in price. We have 4 amazing traders. Myself, 5 now. Myself, HRJ, CVO. It's in the game. Calling the bottom yesterday on that beautiful, beautiful dump. Brewberry, Smart Money Concepts. Kyle, Momentum, beautiful, handsome, YouTuber. Insane trades. Great job. Myself, you got to put up with me, giving you guys updates, telling you guys that Donald Trump thinks the Otter Gang is the most amazing gang in all of crypto. If you don't like and subscribe and join the Discord now, you won't get into these prices, and we're going to put a 25% tariff on the Discord prices come Friday. So you better join now. Get in while you can, okay? We're going to make Canada great again. So join. There we go. Love your work, Jason. You're definitely the best. That is true. Jason is definitely, I would say, the most consistent, awesome trader in all of crypto. I mean, Crypto Face is he's in a whole league of his own. He's the man. We love Crypto Face here. We are sponsored by Market Cypher, so I do highly suggest you use Market Cypher. The greatest, easiest, yet most effective oscillator in the industry, because you don't need a super duper oscillator. All you need is Market Cypher B, baby. And Jason Casper to teach you about Dolores, okay? Go watch some Chickens Drinking Water Dolores videos. Okay, breaking this down, trending momentum here. Now we can look for a potential long opportunity coming into market open. We do have a retest of previous highs, which is typically a trade I like to take. Okay, perfect little tap in here. Hitting our full take profits. Now we are pushing, retesting previous highs. Okay, this is the opposite version of what we just had. This would be a rejection zone. Okay, failing to make a higher high. Coming into our box here. Order block right here. Breaking down now. This is where you would possibly look to add to your short if you're looking to add. We were not. We have closed our trade. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. Alex, bro, you make me seem way more legit than I am. Come on, man. Come on, man. I think, do you know what I think hurts you, Jay, is that you're so good that people just like can't keep up with you. Like it's like you're like a bottom snatcher of wicks. You're a wick whisperer. It's like it's hard to trade like you. But you're so Fibonacci, Golden Pocket, 786 bounce, Chickens Drinking Water, like it's incredible. It's like magic in the charts. I mean, you're a big reason why I got into fibs. Where I can, pull an impulse fib from the low here and know that this is a 786 Golden Pocket bounce, right? CDW breaking out here. I can take profits early and let this ride up into Valhalla if I wanted to, right? I like a little bit more confirmation now. I'm a little bit lazier. I don't want to get all marketing in style, but no, you definitely have paved the way for people to learn like myself. So it'll always be a privilege to call you a friend and you got God in your life too, man. There's a different vibe, man. When you have God in your life and you want to help people change their lives and show them a way of freedom, it's a different story, man. It shows your true intentions. Where in an industry plagued with people to the moon and bottom callers and buy the dippers, all those people. It's nice to have good people. Al Jr., 5 gifted memberships. God bless you, bro. Peter got a membership. J Violet, can you do an Australian accent? G'day. Fair income. Fair income. And they say the C word a lot. Fair income, mate. G'day. I lived in Australia. Crikey. They don't say crikey that much. I mean, I lived in Sydney. I didn't live in somewhere like Perth or Adelaide where they have a really good twang. Nah. Ask an Australian to say no. Nah. No. Nah. Nah. It's pretty good. Fair income. It's a real word in Australia. Fair income. Been time to date Dolores for a couple of years. Good morning, chicken. Good to see you, bro. You missed the short, chicken. We got short from up here, man. We just chilling now, looking for another trade. Hopefully we get one market open in 4 minutes. Thank you so much for the memberships, Al Jr. We got a Piano Matty B getting a beautiful membership. God bless you, Piano Matty B. Guys, go check out Piano Matty B, an amazing streamer as well. High Def, Jay Violet, Jimmy Padwick, Rashad, what's going on, man? Okay, our pink. JC's making schlongs great again. That's the one, man. That's the one. Nice to see you, Rashad. Good to see you. Al Jr., thank you so much for your support. I don't say the C word. Good job, Jay Violet. G'day. G'day, Jay Violet. Do you say fair income? Jay Violet, do you say fair income? You don't say fair income. Jason knows I have a very short list of 10 traders I recommend to anyone wanting to learn trading, and Jason is always first on the list. I'm on that list too. Thank you, David Brumbelow, man. God bless you, bro. Look at this. Breakout, retest, continuation to the upside here. We got market open in 2.5 minutes here. So the S&P has absolutely been brutalized, beaten to a pulp. Can we come back and gap up maybe here and attempt to fill the gap? Bitcoin ripping to the upside here, coming back for all those late shorts. I don't know if there's a catalyst, but there's a Cadillac for anybody who got long on this trade. Nice rip here for Bitcoin. Did we get a tweet? Did something tweet? Do we have any news updates, my friends? This is definitely just a good old-fashioned ripper to the upside, wrecking all the bears, wrecking all the bulls. Big push here for Bitcoin. And this is why you use a stop loss, friends, because of ish like this, okay? Ish like this. Okay, you don't want to be caught getting wrecked. Texas bill? No. Is there anything new? Any news? Anybody got any news? Check Forex Factory. And we don't got we got Jolt's job openings at 10 a.m. Trump's buying Tesla. I don't know about that. CryptoPanic.com. Nothing here. All I know is they just wrecked all those shorts, man. This is why you pay yourselves. My God, that's disgusting. That is absolutely disgusting. Look at the wick. Holy oh, man. That is so filthy. Imagine we hadn't taken any profits. Stopped out. That is a 1.5% 3-minute candle. 1 minute candle. A 1 minute candle, 1.5% 1 minute candle, friends. Welcome to crypto. My God. That is disgusting. That's a CDW? What a cow, man. Yeah, that's wild. We got a retest here. Continuation out. Market manipulation. Welcome to Rectology. Market is open. Market is open. S&P gaps down, okay? Gaps down. Looking for a fill. Looking for a fill with a PH. A fill. We got a fill in the chat? My God. That's so filthy, man. It's so filthy. I shouldn't laugh because like I hate stuff like that when I'm in a trade. Trump buying one Tesla car to save the whole market. That is the biggest CDW I've seen in a while, man. Interesting. All right, so we could have got long off of here, but it's not. Yeah, this is not something you want to get in the way of. Not in my opinion. I feel like long is the bias right here. Let's pretend. Sometimes I'll put on a pretend trade just to stop the FOMO, guys. So let's pretend we just got long here. Okay, let's just pretend. Because it's important to pretend sometimes, okay? Oh, we're wrecked. Stopped out. Oh, not stopped out. Maybe we add to our position here because we're fresh. See, this is why I don't take this. Just put the trade on and pretend that you're in the trade, okay? Because like sometimes that's the only way to stop your FOMO, in my opinion. Like, of course, you want to press market, buy, smash this thing. There's still liquidity below us. We have just swept the highs. So we've swept these guys, and they swept my old trade. You know what I mean? They came for me. But guess what? I paid myself, okay? So they've swept these guys. They got massive bear divs in here. They could be trying to push this, but right now this is not something you want to get in the way of, okay? Look at the TR main here. It's saying it's coming for the vector candles below us, mate. All right, we got a trigger wave here. Trying to push onwards and upwards. Now, if you are just logging in now, 450 people on the live stream, and you're not subscribed to Jason Casper, and you didn't come early because we took a short trade already, made 1.5% this morning. So if you missed the morning, we're here at 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. That's okay. We're going to put in a drive to get Jason Casper to 150,000 subscribers because man's a legend. But make sure you subscribe and hang out here. We're here taking trades daily. We took the short from the tip right here. We love getting in on the tip. That's our specialty. We're good at the tip. See? And there you go. You would have been stopped out. Okay, so there's no trade there, and that's okay. You could have gotten short here. I'd say we come down to view up into this zone in here, some liquidity around 79.5. That would be a target for the lows if we're going to dump. Everybody getting a little bit hopium this morning, which isn't always the best, okay? Be patient here. We'll see what goes on. We got news at 10. And the bias right now, to hourly, the 2 hours pointing down. We're very overextended, in my opinion. The 2 hour looks dangerous here. We got view up coming down. We got trigger wave in here. And we have red money flow. Even though money flow is coming up, this can just easily just be. Okay, reject city. This is like downtown Los Angeles, right? Reject city. Sorry to all my LA friends. Have you seen downtown LA with all the tweakers? That's pretty wild, man. Wouldn't want to be there. Wouldn't want to be there, even if Tesla's cool. Or they're burning Teslas there. Who knows now? Big old rejects. Wrecking the Bears, wrecking the Bulls. Everybody's getting wrecked, okay? Just in, Texas lawmaker pushes 250 million Bitcoin and crypto purchase bill. That's what I got. Kyle Chasey or Chasey. I don't know how you say his name. The Texas introduces second Bitcoin reserve bill. Okay? Texas be buying Bitcoin. All right? Texas be buying Bitcoin. Senator Loomis to reintroduce the Bitcoin Act for the United States government to buy 1 million Bitcoin. Billion Bitcoin. All right? They pushed it and they ripped it, and now it's going to dip, kid. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Coming down key levels in here. We'll see if we do bounce. So we got Texas buying. We got you guys crying because you got stopped out of your beautiful short trade this morning, and now we're going to push up. I'd say this probably pushes. Not something I'm not jumping in front of the train, okay? That's just how I'm treating it right now. So big old scam wickety. Want to be safe here. My $2 saved you bunches. Thank you. Thank you, Army Piper, for supporting the Bitcoin. Piper with the beautiful Texas purchase here. The VIX is the volatility index, and when it's pumping, the volatility is super high. Whiplash. Whip. If you know, you know. Whiplash. Georgia Vol. Probably the worst Texas accent I've ever heard. Thank you, Georgia. That's why we're here for the Canadian bacon, baby. It's a good thing we can trade because we can't do accents. Okay, Bitcoin pushing here. Cool. Let's go. Nice push here. We do have news at 10. Okay, let's not be hasty here. Lunar Beaches crypto. I'm mad at Dallas right now. Dallas picked up Mikko Rantanen. I'm sure people in Texas don't care about hockey, but you guys got Mikko Rantanen on the Dallas Stars, and I'm pretty jealous. Okay, top-notch hockey player. Finnish. Why do you put so much emphasis on the H? Cool. Whip. We care about hockey too. Yeah. Mike Modano, Dallas Stars, man. Classic. This is just chopping everybody up right now. My bias is up. If I was to take a trade right now, it'd be up. Why up? Because we've bounced nicely off of this low here. Nice hammer candle, continuation, bullish news, continuation, right? So I would be potentially long here, but I'm not in any trade. We've taken the short. Great short trade this morning. If you've made money, why would you put on risk in this environment? Ask yourself that. If you've made money, why are you taking a trade in here? Is it because you just want to be in a trade? You got to ask yourself these questions, right? Why would you put on risk when the market is doing this? That is the question I have for you guys. And if you are taking the trade in here, you better be taking profits early. Especially when we got jolts coming at us at 10 a.m. We got 20 minutes till that. I would like this to settle. Got money coming up here. This is a good sign on our 1 minute time frame, okay? But my bias would be up. Is anybody in a trade right now? Let me know. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Would love to know. I'm long, says Federico PIA. It's in the game. You got a lot of longs in the chat. You got a lot of longs in the chat. A lot of longs. A lot of longs. Oh, yeah. And then George's got a schlong, man. He's got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, man. George, you've got a big schlong there, buddy. 1 and 2s. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's got 5 trades, long and short. 2 from that monster candle. You got short on this thing? Good job. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. You are a wick whisperer. Quick whisper. Still long from Caspa crew. Yeah, Caspa. Caspa gave the long down below at the bottom. Well, Jesse just got rugged out of the short. You got to pay yourself, bro. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. All right. Chopping about here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. George just be watching Jason's schlong. Oh, man. Love it. Welcome to the proctology session. We got lots of schlongs in here. Short and long. Okay, for those who are new, we are talking short and long. Incredible. I'm really much just letting the dust settle right now. Like, honestly, this is not something I do not need a participation ribbon for this price action right now. There's no incentive here. Now, if we were to come down here like this, then I'd be incentivized, okay? And I would look to long here. If this, then that trading, okay? If this, then that trading. Always. How's the okay. Pretty flat here on the S&P, which is a lot better than yesterday. Obviously, massive dump. The Dixie continues to fall. Guys, I haven't been swearing. Like, this is actually doing really well. I haven't been swearing. I haven't even sworn today. It's working. Put your money where your mouth is. Okay? The NASDAQ holding up. Trying. We got a nice bounce here. US 100. Nice bounce. This could mean we're pushing here. We could be pushing. We got our favorite pattern in all of trading. That's our symmetrical triangle, friends. This is my favorite pattern. I hate this pattern. It's my least favorite pattern. When we're going to get a decision, I hate this pattern with all of my being. The Nas is pumping. Then we could look for Bitcoin to pump. Bitcoin's like leveraged NASDAQ. Okay, let's be honest. So, still favoring longs here, just not where I would get long. Not where I would get it. If you are feeling the FOMO, I understand. That's what they want. They want you to feel the rush. They want you to feel that euphoric feeling. And you don't make good decisions when you feel like that. Think about it. When you put on a trade that's a good setup, you know you're set up. it's better sometimes if you just walk away, right? If you don't include yourself in what you've done prior to the analysis, right? Price action will always give you an incentive to open or close or take profits on the position, right? Always. It always will. So sometimes excluding that or having the plan initially, right? So this was my target this morning for this. Pretty good. We took profit in here. We should have been taking profit in here. So this would have been like a $500 trade, but my wife was going out. So it went down to my second TP, and then it bounced back up while I was saying goodbye to my wife, and then I took profit. And yeah, I could have waited for this, but my intention was to take profit here. So I did it, right? And you know, what's $100 when you get to say goodbye and I love you to your wife and your new son? So I mean, you can't trade it for anything, really. So I thought, you know, made $300 off of that trade rather than $5, but that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, and you can't. Profits is profits, right? And we always want to kind of offset that risk management and have a nice, you know, our multiple 3-to-1 risk to reward. But at the end of the day, the time that you get to spend with your family and your loved ones is, you'll never get it back. You'll never get it back. So we always promote that here. I mean, it's so important. It's so important. Flattening out here. Rolling over here. SPY's trying to go, man. I don't know if I like this bottom, but the SPY's trying to go. Hitting a support zone right now. Okay, we got a little bit of a support and resistance line here. Nothing to brag about just yet. I'm still looking lower. VWAP, golden pocket. Okay, we have some scary lows that we just put in here. Let me get rid of that. So on our 15-minute here, if we go, now that we've put in a new high, we have to adjust our area. We go from low to high here. Okay, and we're going to have to adjust this on the way. Our golden pocket continues to creep up here. 78.7. Okay. We have liquidity below us here. Okay, a pretty quick move up here. Yes, we got bull divs in here. We got bull divs on the daily. We have a nice V-shaped recovery out of here. Okay, trickle up. This to me is concerning, where we could look for this to revisit and then go. It's very possible. Okay, especially with all this bearishness. Let me know. We got 480. Holy smokes. We got 480 people in here. Thank you for being here, everybody. Wild. I was used to streaming to 2 people. Now there's too many. Do you guys think the bottom's in? Let me know. And what kind of trader are you? Are you scalper, intraday, swing trader, degen? I see you guys out here. 488 votes. You got mostly scalpers in here. You know they love you to be a scalper, right? If you're a scalper, my number one advice to scalping is getting good at cutting your losses. You got to cut your losses because the fees, the movement, the wanting to be in a trade all the time, going to eat you alive. Okay? Eat you alive. Maybe have like a rule, 3 trades a day. So you're looking for quality scalps. Right? That helped me a lot when I started. No, yeah, too new to know. Okay. I can scalp, but intraday and swings are my bread and butter. Yeah, there you go. I like swings. I swing trade on BloFin. Haven't been taking many swings lately because of this market's nasty. But if you're scalping and you can't understand if you're here on your 1 minute time frame and you don't know what your 15-minute time frame looks like, you don't know what your hourly time frame looks like, you don't know what your 4-hour bias is, there is a privilege into zooming in on these charts. Okay, the privilege is time. Okay, the privilege is that you can be in and out of your trade within minutes and make money. But you can also be wrecked in minutes. Okay, so if you are zooming in, you need to understand where you're at on the 4 hour, where you're at on the daily, where you're at on the hourly, and being able to understand that narrative. That's why we got short this morning. So that you can make a better decision when you get your big old microscope out and you look and you zoom in here and you burn the ants, okay? Phew! Right? You got this ant burning machine here from your magnifying glass here. I'll make it a little bit more 3D for you guys. I can make it 3D. Hold up. Art attack, baby. Art attack. All right? And you're zapping price action. Okay. You need to be able to zoom in constructively. People zoom in and they say, oh, green candle buy. Not going to help you, man. It's not going to help you. Bias to the upside is looking correct right now. We got 9 minutes till jolts coming out. Okay. And you want to wait on confirmations, right? Like this morning, 3 drives, bearish divergence, money coming out. Break is structured to the downside. Golden pocket 786 retest. Does it fit into my trade setup? No. Okay, half a position size so I can protect my risk. Is there a target? Absolutely. Target hit, right? So being picky allows you to take a trade with confidence, right? Whereas if you're getting long or short right here, even with our bias to the upside, in my opinion, you're gambling. This is gambling right here. If you want to gamble, if your money is not worth, if you're not showing your money respect on the charts, how's the charts going to respect your money? It's not. It's going to take it. It's going to take it. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. We got a whole whack ton of people in here. I'm not used to having this many people in here. I try not to think about it. I'm just here trying to press buy and sell successfully, help you guys kick ass, take names, all that fun stuff. It's always an honor and a privilege hanging out with you guys. If you are new here, we do have an amazing Discord, a free section, and a paid section for amazing traders. We'd love for you to come over and hang out with us, join. The prices are going up on Friday. It's $1 a day. You get access to 4 traders, 5 traders now, actually. Holy smokes. And an amazing community. You get to bug Tony Soprano, which is always, a privilege in itself. And you get to hang out with us, making money, taking names, having fun. I'm going to stick around for the news. Yeah, I'm going to stick around for the news. Might as well hang out with you guys, We're here. We don't have a Discord live session today. So, we'll stick around a little later. I'll update you guys with some charts at noon just to see where we're at after all this. This is your inverse cup and handle, okay? I don't trade cup and handles at all, but this is a clear cup and handle right here. If there was a cup and handle, this would be it, especially with liquidity down below in here. Whoop! Adam and Eve, that weird one. Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve, whatever you're into. We don't care here. It's okay. It's all love, baby. It's all love, baby. That's it. Everybody getting bullish on that news, and they don't realize the big picture is down. Big picture is down. Okay. Pardon me. A little bit of patience in here. But yeah, if you do want to come over and hang out, we'd love to have you guys over here. Incredible. I did get a message here. Just messaging Mr. Nick Cypher, the flopping groper. The flopping groper, man, for a giveaway. We're going to do a market cipher giveaway on Friday. Join the Otter Gang. It'll make you profitable. It'll help you change your life. Okay? Amazing group of people. Amazing traders, amazing people. Always giving updates. A lot of different perspectives, too. A lot of different types of trading in here. Swing trading, smart money concepts, momentum trading, bat patterns, Superman patterns, whatever you're into. We got the patterns, baby. Great people. Built on kindness. Our number one rules are don't be a douche canoe and be kind, okay? If you're wondering what a douche canoe is, you got to look it up. We have some examples. We had a douche canoe competition in our meme section. It was actually a good time. Everybody was submitting their ultimate picture of douche canoe. Okay? And what would you picture a douche canoe to look like, right? And at the end of the day, I believe this was a little bit cheating. Okay, there was a little bit of cheating going on here with the douche canoe pictures. Okay? But we did get, a bunch of otters in here. So if we look here, got a bunch of otters in here. But the winner, obviously, was this guy here. We got the biggest douche canoe of them all. Okay? But we did, we had douche canoes, a whole bunch of utterly fantastic douche canoes. Otters in the canoe. All right? But we'd love for you to join. All seriousness. Come and kick ass with the Otter Gang. We do love you guys, and we do appreciate your support. Supporting the little guys like us here. Hanging out. Okay, rolling over, losing this low. Okay, so now this is telling me that we could possibly continue down. So now we come into the news, 9:57. We'll see how the news goes right now. But this is obviously that cup and handle, that big picture in here. We have the hopium. This was squeezing shorts, okay? So like we got short here. This would have been squeezed, all of this in here, to send price down. Okay? We have liquidity in the lows in here. The price naturally wants to come and get before continuing upwards. Now, that's the thought pattern. How do you get into a trade successfully with that thought pattern, right? That's the tricky part. What's the confirmation? So we're losing a low here. We're continuing to break it down in a downtrend now. Our first target's this low here. We can look for a retest back into this zone in here. But we've really chopped in here, so that's fine. Can we do something like this? Possible. We always wait for news, let it happen. And then we go from there, okay? And then we'll have a little powwow before I head out. We'll look at price action. We'll see what the news does. And hopefully we can set you guys on your way. We have liquidity up at the top in here. That's something to be interested in. Can we come up for these guys now? All those people who shorted the top. We have levels down below that we gave before, but here you go. 78.6. That's where I'd be looking. VWAP creeping up right now. That's going to be a little barrier to lower prices, so that can act as support if we do get the reaction in there. It's always something to consider. Ten seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Consensus is 7.6. Oh, pumping. 7.7. 7.7. Job orders in the USA increased. So jobs are increasing. The offers of jobs are increasing. This is bullish. So they're going up, which is a good sign. Here. Onwards and upwards trajectory. Okay, so bullish news. Pushing up here. Double bottom we have in here. Okay, nice double bottom. Look for continuation. You're looking to come for the liquidity up here at 82,000. Your big resistance level, 83,600. Okay, be cautious. I'm still skeptical that it can come down. Okay, be very careful in here. Getting a nice pushback here off of our jolts jobs. We got the NAS ripping to the upside. We got the S&P ripping to the upside. Okay, don't be surprised if they rip it back down on your head. Don't be surprised. It can be a false move. Look at that. Indecision, false move, Darth Maul candle. Okay? Be safe. Trade safe. It's in the game. Thank you, everybody, for being here. God bless you guys. A wonderful trade today. Absolutely knocked it out in the park. That's why you show up early and come and hang out with us. Great job today, everybody. Don't give the money back. Use a stop loss. Be safe. Trade well. We're going to send you over to, I believe, the Piper Academy. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get up out the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Crepes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play.